Welcome to our channel, where we're about to embark on an electrifying journey through the top 5 electric bikes you can buy this year. From cutting-edge designs to eco-friendly commuting solutions, we've got you covered. So, if you're ready to elevate your ride and explore the future of cycling, stay tuned as we unveil these incredible electric bikes that are revolutionizing the way we travel. Number 5. Hipeak 750-watt folding electric bike. The Hipeak 750-watt folding electric bike is a game-changer for adventurous adults. With its robust 750-watt brushless motor, it effortlessly hits a top speed of 25 miles per hour, tackling various terrains with ease. The 48-volt to 15 ampere-hours lithium battery ensures extended rides of up to 60 miles, while the 3-step folding design makes it highly portable. Its 20 inches by 4 inches fat tires and excellent front suspension guarantee a smooth and comfortable journey, making every ride a true pleasure. Number 4. Jasion EB7 2.0 electric bike. The Jasion EB7 2.0 electric bike is a remarkable choice for adults seeking both power and convenience. Its 500-watt motor effortlessly reaches 20 miles per hour and tackles 15% inclines with ease, while the 48-volt 10 ampere-hours removable battery offers an impressive 20 to 40 miles per charge. What truly sets it apart is the comfort it delivers. With dual shock absorbers and puncture-resistant 20 by 3-inch fat tires, it ensures a stable and enjoyable ride. Plus, its foldable design and manageable weight make it perfect for commuters and travelers. Safety is paramount, thanks to front and rear disc brakes, bright lights, and a thoughtful throttle design. The intuitive LCD display and 7-speed system add to the user-friendly features, making the Jasion EB7 2.0 a well-rounded electric bike. Number 3. Heybike Ranger S electric bike. The Heybike Ranger S electric bike impresses on multiple fronts. Its robust 750-watt motor effortlessly conquers steep slopes and attains speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, while the 720-watt-hours removable battery ensures an impressive 55-mile range. The sturdy aluminum alloy frame and a 150-pound load-capable rack make it versatile for various needs, from commuting to adventures. Its foldable, step-through design enhances convenience and comfort, catering to riders of all ages. The Heybike application adds a layer of security with anti-theft features and allows for personalized settings. Moreover, the intelligent lighting system ensures visibility and safety, making this commuter e-bike a standout choice for modern riders. Number 2. VITILAN U7 electric bike. The VITILAN U7 electric bike is a game-changer for adults seeking an adventurous ride. With its robust 750-watt motor and 1200-watt peak power, it effortlessly hits a top speed of 28 mph per hour, conquering steep 35-degree slopes with its 80 Nm peak torque. The 16 ampere-hours LG battery ensures long rides, and the Shimano 7-speed system provides versatility. Plus, its folding design adds convenience to this high-performance electric bicycle. Number 1. Heybike Tyson folding electric bike. The Heybike Tyson folding electric bike for adults is a game-changer. Crafted from high-strength magnesium alloy, its sleek design not only exudes style but also guarantees durability. This e-bike conquers any terrain with a powerful 750-watt motor, 20 by 4-inch fat tires, and versatile riding modes. With a removable 48-volt and 15 ampere-hours battery offering an impressive range, you'll enjoy carefree travel. Safety is paramount with dual hydraulic suspension and shorter braking distances. Plus, it's smart and connected thanks to the TFT 4G display and Heybike app integration. The Tyson is a complete package for modern riders.